Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies without eggs and milk. This guide will help you create a batch of warm, gooey treats that everyone can enjoy, regardless of dietary restrictions. We will cover smart ingredient swaps and easy baking steps to ensure your cookies turn out perfectly every time. Get ready to bake some amazing cookies. The secret to egg and dairy-free cookies lies in smart substitutions. For each egg, you can use a flax egg by combining 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water, letting it sit for 5 minutes to thicken. Alternatively, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce works wonderfully. For milk, simply swap in an equal amount of your favorite plant-based milk, such as almond or oat milk. And for butter, choose a good quality vegan butter or a neutral flavored oil. Making the dough is straightforward. First, cream together your softened vegan butter with both granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then, slowly incorporate the wet ingredients, including your chosen egg and milk substitutes, into the dry mixture. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Then fold in plenty of dairy-free chocolate chips. For the best texture and flavor, I highly recommend chilling your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. This helps prevent spreading and deepens the taste. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 to 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container to maintain their freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.